the forearm balance. We bend the knees, relax into the back, and go into the back bend. From here, to go into the Chaturanga, I have to flex my feet and flick my legs. Okay, it's a fast gesture. Doesn't happen slowly. What's happening here, my head is looking forward and I'm coming straight into it. One of the great things about this type of breathing work is that it expands our capacity to be with what our former self may have called a stressful situation. Keep your breath deep and slow.
It's calling me.